Only battery bang hanap mo sa isang smartphone? Well, I got you covered. This is the itel Power 70 with 10,000 mAh na battery kasama niyang package na charging case. So, tara, buksan natin, pakita ko sa inyo. Kapag binili mo tong phone na ito, the package comes like this one, and there's two things inside, the phone itself and yung kanyang charging case. Now, one of the good things dito sa kanya is malaki yung kanyang battery, no? Itself, 6,000 na siya. No, add another 4,000, it becomes 10,000. And what's nice naman dito sa kanya, maganda ka na itsura, no? Premium looking without hurting the pocket. No, mukhang Samsung kanyang camera bump and mecha design likod. Brushed aluminum metal finish, no? Yung ganyang feel, no? Though it's a plastic back, obviously. So, matte finish yung kanyang sides. And ganito itsura ng kanyang screen once you start it up. Okay naman siya, no? Decent ang kanyang camera based sa aking experience. And what we got inside together is, of course, your charging cable and, of course, everything inside. And may kasama pa siyang drop-proof na case, which is okay, kanyang corner may bump. And itong 18 watts na cable and charging brick. And ito ang gusto ko lang pakita sa inyo, ang kanyang charging case. Now, honestly, hindi siya makapal. No. Ganito lang. I was expecting na, siguro ang bigat nito after makabitan nito ng parang battery. Pero hindi All you need to do is just slap this one sa ilalim. No, kabit mo. And ganito na. No? A nice, sleek na charging case. Pag gusto mo mag-charge, pindutin mo lang to. No? Kung ilan pa yung battery na iwan sa'yo. And magno-notify yung kanyang, dynamic island charging na siya. So, based sa aking testing, this one can last 3 days or a little bit beyond 3 days. Not so bad, no? Kanya screen on time, 25 hours ang nakuha kong screen on time. So, if you're someone who's looking for a very durable na battery, this one is probably one of the phones na you should consider. Si itel Power 70. Abangan niyo ang full review natin nito. And click the yellow basket kung interested kayo.